Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the submission email address for your Wix forms. This is really useful if you need form responses to go to a different team member, or if you've changed your business email and want to make sure you're still receiving all your submissions. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from there, click on Website. This will take you to the specific website you want to work with. Now you'll see a preview of your website along with all its current settings. Take a moment here to make sure this is actually the website where you want to change the form submission email address. If you manage multiple sites, it's easy to accidentally select the wrong one, so just double-check that you're in the right place before moving forward. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct site, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this at the top part of your screen, typically right beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to editing the actual content and forms on your website. Clicking Design Site will redirect you to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can visually edit all the elements on your site. Now look for the specific form where you want to change the submission email address. Once you've found it, click directly on the form to select it. After selecting the form, you'll notice an Edit Form option appear at the top. Click on it, and a form customization dashboard will open up on your screen. This dashboard gives you access to all the settings and customization options for that particular form. Within this dashboard, click on the Settings tab. Scroll down until you find the Notification and Submission section. This is where all the email routing happens for your form submissions. You'll see an option that says New Submission Received for Contact Form. Click on Edit next to it. This action will take you to the Automations page, which is where Wix handles all the automated actions triggered by form submissions. On this page, locate the Send an Email action. Within that action, find the Set Recipients section and click on it. This is the critical area where you'll actually change who receives the form submissions. You'll now see a button labeled Add Recipients. Click on it and a pop-up selection will appear. From the options, choose Contacts. Now you'll see a list of all your saved contacts. Simply click the checkbox next to the name of the contact whose email you want to use for receiving form submissions. If the email contact you need isn't listed yet, don't worry. Just click on Create New. Creating a new contact is straightforward and only requires you to input an email address and a name. Once you've selected or created the email recipient you want, click Add to finalize the change. And that's it. You've successfully updated the email address that receives submissions from your Wix form. Your form responses will now be sent to the correct recipient, ensuring you never miss an important inquiry. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.